Good morning. I always start the vlog so weird. Anyways, hi, how are you today? I am vlogging today because I'm going somewhere very exciting, and this is the first time that I have been to a social event, a social gathering in over a year. So I'm just doing my makeup really quickly with you guys, but I'm so excited. I haven't been in 2 years now. I wasn't able to go last year because of, you know, COVID. But the year before that, in 2019, I didn't go either. So I don't know why. But we are going this year. I'm very excited and I can't wait. You still have to wear masks and stuff over there, which obviously I understand. So, and it's gonna be really hot today. At least I hope so. I think it's gonna be really warm today. Right now it only says 68. Hopefully it'll be, yeah, it's supposed to be like 82, 83, something like that today. Yeah, it should be fine. So I need to wear some SPF. This Dermablend CC Cream has 50 plus SPF in it. So this will work. Also, I want to thank you a lot for all of the, you know, support and just the very nice messages on my last vlog. You know, the one where everything kind of got super serial. I really appreciate it. It was very nice and sweet going through like your comments and stuff like that. So I really appreciate it for being like nice and kind and like understanding and stuff. So that was really nice, thank you. But I'm just gonna kind of whiz through my makeup here. I'm not gonna do anything obviously very fancy at all. I'm just gonna do a little bit of foundation, a little bit of like bronzer and stuff, but yeah, I'm not gonna do any eye makeup or anything like that. So I haven't even said where we're going. Oh my god, I'm so sorry, you guys. We're going to the Renaissance Festival. I'm so excited again. We weren't able to go last year because it was closed, but 2019, the year before that, I didn't go because, believe it or not, 2019 was the year I met my boyfriend, and he was coming to see me. He was coming to meet me for the first time when the Renaissance Festival was opened last in 2019, so that's why I didn't go then. This CC cream looks so good. I love this CC cream so much. I'm gonna do a little bit of bronzer. I don't know how, I know it's supposed to be pretty warm today, but I don't know how the humidity is supposed to be. So I don't know if I should be using cream stuff or powder stuff. I don't know. But I'm actually really happy that we decided, well, not we, I didn't decide any of it. My best friend, so I told her about the Renaissance Festival and I was like, we gotta go this year. And then I just said, well, let me know whenever you decide you want to go. So she did. She texted me about it and everything, and I was able to go too. We got tickets. The tickets are all done online this year. You can't get them like at the gate apparently. So that's crazy too. So I was able to get my ticket, and it is right now 8 in the morning. And I woke up at 7:30 because I texted her yesterday being like, well, what time do you want to go? What time do you want to get there? And she said, oh, I wasn't expecting it. I don't know why I was expecting her to be like, oh, maybe like noon or something. But no, she said, we want to get there at 9:30. And I said, okay. I feel like going earlier is best anyways, but I did it. I genuinely didn't know that she was wanting to go this early in the morning, which it's fine with me. I get up pretty early anyways. So I'm using the cloud paints from Glossier, and it's been a while since I've used these, and I'm like, why is it so orange? I mean, I have two colors. I have Dawn, which is orange, and then I have Puff, which is pink. And I wanted a little bit of like an orange tint, but I didn't want it to be like straight up orange. That's a bit better. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. I swear, the Glossier, not Sky Paints, the Glossier Cloud Paints just make me really nervous before I put them on because they are so pigmented on your hand. And then you put them on your face and you're like, oh, thank God. I mean, you know me, I love blush, like more than I think a lot of people, because I know blush gets like shat on sometimes. Like people are like, I don't want to wear blush. I'm like, why not, man? Blush is just great. And then, so this will sink in. I know this looks like a lot right now. I must look like a clown, but it'll sink in. It'll be fine. But I love how it has like a tiny, I don't know why I put that on my chin. A tiny little bit of like an orangey flush to it, like a little sun kiss, tiny little sunburn moment, which I really like, but it's also mixed with some pink, so it's not just straight up orange. Anyways, I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up the rest of my face real quick.
I'm not looking for a one night. You're not looking for a love life. Maybe we can have a good time. I don't want this shit to end. You don't want it to begin. I'm not looking for a one night. You're not looking for a love.
Okay, I'm done. So this is my makeup today. I really like it. It's very, you know, French. Dewy. I don't know, is it dewy? I don't know, but I'd tell you one thing. I love this blush. It's been a very long time since I've used the cloud paints, and I understand why people love them so much. Like, this blush is stunning. Oh my goodness. It's time for me to make some coffee. I'm gonna go do that, and I'll take you with me. Alright you guys, I'm about to leave. I'm so excited. Here is my outfit for the Renaissance Festival. I have this romper. It looks like a dress, but it is indeed a romper. And it's the cutest thing. It's got like moons and stars on it. And I love it to actual bits. And then I've got my Doc Martens sandals. I love these so much. They're so cute and they're very, very comfortable. So this is my outfit today, and I am kind of living. It's very dark. Okay, that's better. Can you see it now? I don't know, but I think this is just the cutest little outfit, and I like it a lot.
Luckily, we ran into someone that I knew back from like middle school.
We made it. I'm so excited. Oh my god. Well, since we already have tickets, can we just go up here? Just go on through?
Oh.
Have a great day. Good morrow. You're optimistic wearing your wedding dress.
Please wait. No.
Welcome aboard, everyone.
Thank you.
How are we?
Good, how are you?
How am I?
Good morning.
Huh?
Magic, mystery, comedy, stupidity, fun for you and your whole family. See me do a backflip and land in my own navel. See me fold my spleen into an origami swan. See the man with 2 kidneys.
Wow.
Just sounds impressive.
You are impressive.
It's a stupid way to make a living, it really is. You're looking fabulous.
Is it 10 minutes? You want to see fire juggling? Okay.
Well, yes, hello.
Hi.
Yeah, hashtag me, Team Fancy Face.
Well, you look great.
Thank you. I know. Great. Well, this outfit will be in the show in less than 10 minutes.
Perfect.
Right here.
We got my first drink of the day. This is just lemonade, but it's like the biggest lemonade I've ever seen, and it's fresh squeezed and it's so good. Also, you might notice I had a small outfit change because apparently on the website they said that no visible cleavage could be showing, so the outfit I was wearing definitely had that, so I didn't want to like get kicked out or something. But we're watching a show, or it's about to come on, so I'm super excited.
super excited.
I'm super excited. Katie, are you excited?
Super excited.
Super excited. Do you guys want to be on camera or no?
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
please get me eating my turkey leg.
Here we go. This is Katie, and this is her boyfriend, Aaron. They're both wonderful people.
Yelling and screaming uncontrollably. Or maybe I can control them now. Third one's always the fast one. But now, my friends, I will actually do a trick. I will balance this. I know, right? After 10 minutes, they're like, all right, finally did a trick. I will balance this mostly razor sharp knife of death on my finger. Very dangerous for this young lad right here. Actually, we're 6 feet away. We're gonna be fine. All right, here we go. There's no danger. 1, 2. Wait, what's happening now? What? I don't know. What? Bam! A different finger. Wait, huh? What? Whoa. Not technically a finger. And back to the original finger. Stopping is the fun part. Bam! Yeah! Woo! Yeah.
Glory, knights, ride ye hither! Sir Ian McFarlane, in blue and silver, the champion of Loch Lomond. Earl William Westmoreland, the Earl of Westmoreland, in red and gold, the Queen's champion. Countess of Argyle, goodly knights, let all present know ye by your names and your titles. Jane, the Lion Daughter. Oh, better luck next time, Lady Jane. The next to ride shall be Sir Ian for honor and glory. Charge! Two for Sir Ian. Knights at the ready. Lay on!
The horse just might not like the loud noise.
Mighty hills.
Oh, that one's ready to go. Hello, I'm back home now. As you can probably tell, I didn't vlog too much at the Ren Festival just because there was so much walking around and there was a lot going on. So I'm back home now, but I hope you enjoyed the clips that I did vlog at the Ren Festival. There was one particular shop that I wanted to go into. It was like a shop that had little animatronic little dragons and cats and little griffins and stuff like that, but they ended up not being there this year, which sucked, but it was really fun. I really enjoyed it, and it was really great to be able to go for the first time in 2 years. I haven't been in a very long time, but I'm back home now. I'm having some dinner because I'm so hungry. I did get a turkey leg. It's just like what you get at a Ren Festival, and I did get a turkey leg and just kind of relaxing for the rest of the night. I literally have like 10 blisters on my feet. It's a lot. But I'm not gonna end the vlog just yet, just because I know I didn't vlog too much at the Ren Festival, so I will vlog a little bit later, or I'll just keep vlogging a little bit later today. There's honestly not gonna be a lot happening, just because it's mostly gonna be me watching D&D and relaxing, but yeah, I'll show you some other stuff, but my dinner's done. Good morning, everyone. It's the next day. I actually forgot to end my vlog last night because my head hurt so bad. Like, I was so tired. My head hurt really bad. It was like my allergies mixed with like so much walking. It was just a lot. But is this even focused? I don't know, but I did forget to end the vlog yesterday, so I decided I'd just come on here and end the vlog properly. But I hope that you all are having a wonderful day, and I hope that you enjoyed the vlog. I apologize that there wasn't like too much filmed, but anyways, it was still really fun and I really enjoyed it. But I hope that you guys have a wonderful day, and I have some super exciting things coming up in the future, so I'm excited to tell you guys about that as well. So yeah, bye.